In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to buy stuff online with GameStop gift card. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to redeem your GameStop gift card. To do this, you will have to reach checkout on the website. So go over to GameStop.com through a web browser on your computer or your phone, and now you can add any items that you wish to purchase using the gift card to your card. So find any item that you would like to purchase, and you will be able to redeem the gift card to make that specific purchase. You will be able to use the gift card for any item available here, with some exceptions, for example, other gift cards, so keep that in mind. So when you visit the page, add the items to your cart, proceed to checkout, so click the red button here. And now under the payment methods, you will see this option, add gift card or redeem. So all that you have to do is choose add gift card or trading credit, and now you can input the full gift card number. Sadly, I don't have a GameStop gift card at hand at the moment, but it's as simple as inputting the number here and then the PIN here. If you need additional information on where to find these, click the information icon here and they will give you an example. So the full account number and then the PIN. The PIN is usually going to be a 4-digit number and the account number can vary. It is going to be on the back of the Power Up Rewards card. For trade credit, it is also going to be located here, and for the gift card, it is going to be at the top. So just copy the entirety of the gift card number, make sure that you added everything that you would like to purchase to your card, and you can redeem the GameStop gift card for this particular purchase. I hope I was able to help you on how to buy stuff online with a GameStop gift card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.